This module for overall reflection ko po. So, for me, siguro reflection ko na lang sa module na to is parang as we Christian, we know Jesus as someone who saved us from the sin, anak ng Diyos. Pero, other than that, I think we need to really know Jesus on a personal way. Kasi nga, ayun. And also parang, at saka tinuro din naman dito sa module na to yung about sa baptism and such, na parang kapag na-baptize ka na, parang yun yung means na parang you are ready na to take a part as a Christian, tanggapin si Lord, si Jesus. And so with that, parang we need to really practice, since we are baptized person na din, we really need to practice to be what is like to be a godlike. What I mean by that is, ayun, yung parang, paano pa yung gusto ni Lord? Maging mabait lang ba tayo? Hindi lang tayo maging kind, hindi lang tayo maging mabait. It's more other than that. It was patience, diba? It was also the perseverance and everything and such. Parang yun yung learnings ko na dapat hindi lang surface level yung meron tayong knowledge about Lord or Jesus. Dapat meron tayong personal relationship sa Kanya. Kasi, hindi lang siya necessary. Kasi merong something about doon na you will feel good actually. If you have a personal relationship with God, with Jesus, you will really feel good, I swear. And you would see, at saka I feel like, if you have like that kind of personal level of love or personal thing with Him, parang makikita mo yung world on a different level, on a different way. So, I feel like yun yung parang mga realization ko throughout this lesson, this whole module of Module 4. Ayan pa, thank you.